Hello guys, today I have with me a brand new Bot 295 version 2 Bluetooth earphones. So this is the box that we get when we buy this. It's laminated in a plastic coating. So in order to take it out we actually need to remove the cover, and here are some of the features that mentioned in the box. It's built with the Qualcomm chipset and dual pairing, and some other features are also mentioned. The model number is actually 295 version 2, and it's made of high quality silicone material, and all the other features are provided below, and it comes in three colors. The one that I have is called active black and blue variant, and also spirit lime is also available with this product, and the price is around 1600 rupees for this product, and that's all in the box. And as you can see, the price is mentioned like around 5000 rupees in the box, but actually it's not that much, it's only around 1500. Now let's look at what's inside the box. This is what you get. This is how it's packed, and it's inside this casing. And let's see what else we have. We have like a 1 year warranty card that this comes along with this as a standard, and we have like a catalog of the other products from this Bot brand. So you can see there are many products and their branding and things like that. We also have a small manual that explains how to use this product and everything like that. If you want, you can pause this and see the specifications of how to use this and how to maintain this product for long lasting usage. And we have the charging cable here. This is a micro USB charging cable. It's small, really small in length, and the adapter is not provided with this earphone, and that's it. The other USB end, and you also have spare earbuds. The one that comes standard is the medium size, and in this small cover we have the large and small ear bushes that we can use. You can use according to your specifications. For me, always choose the right bud size. That will determine the actual sound quality, so that is really important. You also have this rubber loop, which is a good addition. That rubber loop keeps it in place. And now let's actually look at the original Bluetooth earphone. This is how it looks. It's really good quality material. There is the Bot branding there. And now let's look at some of the buttons that's present here. That one is power button, and there is volume up and volume down button, and the equalizer button, and also that is the slot where you can use to charge the earphone. That's a micro USB port that can be used for charging. And overall the build quality is really good. It's really flexible, and it's made of like nylon material, and it's the weight is also um, really small. You won't even feel like it's on your shoulders once you use it. This is how the ear pieces looks like. There is plastic there, just need to remove, and you can see the boat logo there, and that's how the earpiece looks. And one other thing is like the playback. Total playback hours that you get is around 15 hours, and also it supports fast charging, which means for 20 minutes of just charging you get 10 hours of playback with this. This can be connected to our normal charger. This is how it will look when it's charging. It will show a red color. um, and it will take like 2 hours to get it fully charged. Once it's fully charged, as you can see, the light will change to the white color. That means it's fully charged. Now let's see how to turn this earphone on. The notification is that blinking white and red light. That means it's just powered on and it's not actually connected to any other Bluetooth devices. Now we'll connect to the my phone, and I have already paired it with this device. So it's really fast, and there is no issue with the connectivity of this earphone. I have connected it with my laptop and mobile phone, no issues. It can be paired to both devices at the same time. It's Bluetooth version 5. As you can see, once it's connected, the light will stop blinking, and only this white light will come and go. That means it's paired to a device. There is no latency whatsoever with this earphone. If you are watching a video, you can hear the voice instantly, and there is no delay at all. So I'm really happy with that um, option of this earphone. So now let's test the color function of this earphone. This also comes with a vibration feature where it will vibrate when you receive a call. So even if you are just wearing this earband and not near the phone, you will instantly know with the vibration, and there is a small tune when a call comes as well. So that's really a good feature. That's the main feature why I bought this, because of the call notification functionality that comes along with this. You can also start and stop music by pressing the power button, and by long pressing the volume up key, you can actually move to the next song, and by pressing the volume down button, you can actually go back to the previous song. Those are some neat functionalities that all the normal earphones with the volume controls will have. So it's also there. One other neat feature that this earphone has is like when you press the power button for 2 or 3 seconds, you can use your voice assistant with this earphone. And that's a really good feature. You can also control the volume of your device using this Bluetooth earphone. By pressing the up, you can increase the volume, and pressing down, you can decrease the volume. And there is also a magnet there. It's just to keep it together. Other than that, there is no actual functionality with this. Overall, I really like this product. The microphone quality is really good, and there is the option to actually jump from bass mode to stereo mode through this button. That's really a neat feature. This is IPX7 rated, water and sweat resistant, and it's really lightweight. You can use it for a whole day without actually feeling that it's actually there. So overall, really good. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe to the channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.